This is now. This is you. But how did this become now? You have to go back, 5 years back. You're a shoe company making shoes for him, her, shoes to do this, and wait, how did he do that? But you realize that's a lot of plastic, which means a lot of plastic here and there. So you set a goal, brew some coffee, stay up all night kind of goal. End plastic waste. And it starts with ending virgin polyester by 2024. And the clock is ticking, so you sharpen your pencils and think, sketch, make, test, sleep, eat, model, render, cut, shape, and then light bulb. You turn plastic into yarn and that yarn into this. And people like that. The earth likes that. So you make 5 million inspired by that, and that turns into 11 million. The end. Not the end, the beginning. How about shirts and shorts? How about runs to save the oceans or shoes made to be remade? Can you do that? You can do that. So now is about what's next, and what's next is just the start. Plastic waste is the problem, and innovation is our solution.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I would like to present you guys content marketing plan by Adidas and Parley for Run for the Ocean. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ilham, and this is my friend.
Hello everyone, my name is Dimas Muhammad Agung.
Hello everyone, my name is Nadim Muhammad Rahmat Fajari.
Okay, so let's jump into the next topic. In this contents, we have executive summary, content and marketing goals, content plan, editorial calendar, promotional checklist, and bibliography.
Okay, first, we have executive summary. Adidas and Parley invest $1 million raised from Run for the Oceans 2018 to support the Parley Ocean School program, educating and empowering 100,000 youth in affected coastal areas. Adidas Running shares the impact of the $1 million raised in 2018 from Run for the Oceans and announced that the global initiative will return once again on World Ocean Day on 8 June 2019 with the increased goal this year of raising $1,005 million continue to invest in the education of future generation of the issue of marine plastic pollution. Okay, in 2018, Adidas created a global movement with Run for the Ocean, uniting nearly 1 million runners from around the world and raising $1 million for long-term partner Parley for the Oceans. To date, the many race has helped directly educate and empower on 1,100 youth and their families who are living in coastal areas affected by plastic pollution to take action as part of the Parley Ocean School program. The partnership saw 5 million pairs of shoes created using recycled ocean plastic in 2008.
Hello, next we jump to the content marketing goals. So as a founding member since 2015, Adidas supports Parley for the Oceans in its education and communications efforts and commits to the Parley AIR, which is Avoid, Intercept, Redesign strategy. The strategy is, the first, avoid no use of plastic bags and microbags. We are committed to be single-use plastic-free in our facilities. And second is intercept. So intercept is talk about prevent plastic from entering the ocean and recover existing threats. We are working with Parley for the Oceans to prevent plastic entering the oceans and transform it into performance sportswear instead. We are working on turning what we believe is a problem, that is marine plastic pollution, into progress with an eco-innovative replacement for virgin plastic. And everybody can say that Parley Ocean plastic. And the last is redesign. Drive eco-innovation around materials, products, and new ways of using them with the ultimate goal of reinventing current plastic. The benefit is, first, increase brand awareness, and second, the campaign increase sales and profitability, and the third, raise public awareness on ocean issues, and the last is donations from people who contribute by buying Adidas X Parley. Oh yeah. Okay, jump into the 4P. There is a product, price, place, and promotion. First, we talk about products. Adidas use ocean plastic to form the upper parts of shoes and clothing like jerseys. Each item in the Parley collection is made from at least 75% intercept marine trash, and they still meet the same performance and comfort standards of Adidas other shoes. And second is the price. Price from the product, it starts from $140 for shoes. And place, everybody can get the products from the official store and of course from the official website. And the last is promotion. The promotion is came from every online and offline platform, communities and event. So here it is, the campaign that Adidas X Parley held is Run for the Oceans. So this is a run event global. So everybody can join this campaign.
First, we have the case studies. The campaign Adidas X Parley has an effect on consumer buying patterns, which provides a new experience in buying a product, which contains more value than just a product, but can be means for customers to participate in the goals and objective of the campaign's vision and mission. And the second one, we have the cooperation of the company. Adidas X Parley is highly supported by several organizations, even the government, because it contains a vision that is very helpful to eradicating some waste problems and also sustainable with many environmental and health communities who aim to help preserve the ocean. Third, they have tips and tricks in their content. Adidas X Parley also invites people to participate by giving concern to people with an appeal not to litter, reduce plastic use, and invite people to run. For every kilometers people run, Adidas and Parley will clean up the equivalent weight of 10 plastic bottles up to 1,500 pounds from beaches and islands in all around the world. And fourth, we have the content. Every content created by Adidas X Parley is very good. They created a lot of good content such as videos, photos, posters, and others, so that people want to join this campaign. They have already promoted this campaign with advertisement to YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Twitter.
Our oceans are the big, breathing heart of the planet. How do we save them? End plastic waste. For over 5 years, Adidas and Parley have led the fight to protect the oceans.
There is a huge demand for products that protect the environment instead of destroying them.
To make shoes that include plastic waste. To inspire a new generation to take action.
We are running for the ocean!
Today, Adidas and Parley are on a mission to go even further.
Let's do this together.
For the oceans, for the mountains, for our cities, because plastic waste is an ocean problem, and a mountain, forest, desert can't wait for tomorrow problem. And through sport, we are the solution to help end plastic waste.
Now let's jump into the editorial calendar.
We have editorial calendar. The campaign has been carried out from year to year. There are different reports from the initial year to the present. Until now, it has achieved. It goes and will continue for a long time. Okay, first we have in 2015, the partnership between Parley and Adidas was originally announced at the 2015 Parley Oceans Climate Life event at the United Nations in New York. Back then, Adidas has created a concept shoe with an upper made of yarn and filaments reclaimed and recycled from ocean waste and illegal deep sea gill nets. It was a first for the industry. Okay, in 2016, Adidas believe that true sport have the power to change lives and dedicated to creating that change. As part of our commitment to end plastic waste, Adidas eliminate distributed plastic shopping bags from our retail stores globally. In 2017, as part of their collaboration, Adidas and Parley for the Oceans held the Run for the Oceans event in summer of 2017. With the intention that this would raise awareness of their product as well as ocean conservation. In 2018, from Run for the Oceans announced that the global initiative will return once again on World Ocean Day. In 2019, time to coincide with Run for the Ocean 2019, Adidas introduced its Alpha Bounce, Parley, and a full range of new sport apparel, ambitiously driving toward its 2024 goal of eliminating the use of virgin polyester from all products. Last, in 2020, Adidas and Parley also started a global movement with Run for the Ocean and raise funds to develop Parley's youth education programs. With Prime Blue, a high-performance yarn made with Parley Ocean plastic introduced in 2020. Adidas and Parley further accelerated the use of recycled materials. Moving forward, Adidas and Parley will continue working together with Parley for the Ocean on developing, testing, and implementing new materials to replace plastic for good.
Okay, now we move to promotional checklist. They have share on email newsletter, share on Facebook, share on LinkedIn, share on Instagram, share on YouTube with YouTube ads, and share on Pinterest. Is the bibliography of our presentation. Your attention. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy our presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.